Hello everyone. In today's video, we talk about the blue whale, Balænoptera musculus, is the largest animal to have ever lived on Earth, even outsizing the largest dinosaurs. These magnificent marine mammals are known for their immense size, long bodies, and powerful presence in the oceans. Blue whales can reach lengths of 24 to 30 meters, with females generally being larger than males. They can weigh up to 180 metric tons. A single blue whale's tongue alone can weigh as much as an elephant, and their hearts can weigh as much as a car. Blue whales are filter feeders and have a diet primarily composed of tiny marine creatures. Krill make up almost the entire diet of a blue whale. During feeding seasons, a blue whale can consume up to 4 tons of krill a day. They use baleen plates in their mouths to filter krill from the water, swallowing huge amounts at a time. Blue whales are typically solitary animals, but can sometimes be seen in small groups, particularly during the feeding season. Blue whales are generally not as social as other whale species, but they may come together in areas with abundant food. They communicate with each other using low-frequency sounds, which can travel vast distances underwater, allowing them to communicate over hundreds of miles. Blue whales mate every 2 to 3 years, with a gestation period of approximately 10 to 12 months. The female gives birth to a single calf, which is born measuring 7 to 8 meters long and weighing around 2 to 3 tons. The calf is nursed by its mother for about 6 to 7 months, during which it can grow quickly, gaining up to 90 kilograms a day. After birth, the calf stays close to the mother for protection and guidance. Due to their size, adult blue whales have very few natural predators, but they may still face threats. Killer whales are the main predators of blue whale calves. They may attack calves in groups, though adults are generally not at risk. Humans, through activities like whaling, have historically been significant threats to blue whales. The blue whale is the largest of the baleen whales and evolved around 15 million years ago. It is believed to have descended from land mammals that entered the ocean and gradually adapted to marine life. The ancestors of modern whales were land-dwelling mammals that began returning to the sea around 50 million years ago. Over millions of years, they evolved to become fully aquatic, with adaptations such as blubber for insulation, the loss of functional hind limbs, and the development of baleen plates for feeding. The blue whale is a relatively recent evolutionary development, with its size and feeding habits emerging in the last few million years. Blue whales were once found in all major oceans, from the Arctic to the Antarctic, though their populations were much larger before commercial whaling began. They have now been reduced in numbers and are primarily found in the Southern Ocean, North Pacific, North Atlantic, and parts of the Indian Ocean. They tend to migrate between feeding grounds in the polar regions during summer and warmer, subtropical waters during winter for breeding. In many cultures, the blue whale has long been a symbol of the ocean and its majesty, as well as an example of the extreme scale of nature. In some indigenous cultures, whales are seen as spiritual beings and are connected to myths about creation and the world's origin. The blue whale has become a symbol for conservation, especially in the fight to end commercial whaling and protect marine ecosystems. The blue whale population has been severely impacted by commercial whaling. Before whaling, there were likely several 100,000 blue whales, but the population was reduced to an estimated 10,000 to 25,000 individuals in the 20th century. Today, blue whale populations are slowly recovering, though they are still considered an endangered species. The IUCN Red List currently lists the blue whale as endangered, with different populations having varying levels of risk. Due to their vulnerable status, conservation efforts for the blue whale focus on protecting their habitats, ensuring their food sources, and reducing human-induced threats. Since the 1982 International Whaling Commission ban on commercial whaling, hunting of blue whales has been prohibited, which has allowed some recovery. Countries like Australia and the United States have created whale sanctuaries to protect blue whales from ship strikes and pollution. Marine protected areas have been established in key feeding and breeding regions to ensure blue whales have safe environments to thrive. Monitoring programs track blue whale populations and their migration patterns to gain insights into their behavior and identify threats. While direct rewilding efforts for blue whales are not practical, their protection and recovery efforts focus on rebuilding populations in the wild, ensuring clean, safe, and abundant feeding grounds, and reducing threats like noise pollution and ship traffic are crucial for their long-term survival. Thank you for watching our wildlife profile on the blue whale, the titans of the oceans. From its incredible size and majestic presence to its crucial role in marine ecosystems, the blue whale truly is a marvel of nature. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated on more fascinating wildlife profiles. Stay tuned for more amazing wildlife stories, and let's keep supporting conservation efforts for these incredible creatures.